and welcome to Vlogmas Day 21.
So excited.
21.
Okay. Not 20. Feeling 20. Sorry. Yeah, just do that too. So.
Huh?
Feeling 22.
Yeah.
Okay, anyways. Yeah, she's gonna do it tomorrow. Anyways,
Brooklyn, come over here.
we're gonna make cookies.
Oh, I wanted Brooklyn to say it.
Oh, well, we're making sugar cookies.
Brooklyn, you were in the vlog all yesterday. And Brooklyn barely was in it.
Well, that's her fault. She doesn't like being on camera.
Brooklyn loves being on my vlog.
No, she doesn't.
You don't like being on my vlog, Brooklyn?
I don't not like it.
She's just not good at talking to a camera.
Oh.
Okay, anyways, we're gonna make sugar cookies, my aunt's recipe, and it's gonna be really good. No, I don't want to do those. Those are disgusting.
I don't even care because those take hours to do. So
You said they took 20 minutes.
Like these, so
She did.
What?
She did like these.
Ew.
We are making cookies, guys, if you couldn't figure that out. Period, Brooklyn. Period. Being the cook, chef, baker. Holly, say hi. Oh. Okay. Bella, do you want to say hi to my vlog? Guys, this is Bella.
Hi.
Okay. Oh! Jeez, I did not know I was going to do that.
Imagine you fell off.
Mom said. And it breaks. That would be kind of funny though. Look at the tree. These are candles that we we put batteries in them because they're for our candlelight service on Sunday for Christmas. And so we put, me, Brooke, and Eliza put batteries in these candles and all of these candles. They're very cheap though, but there's no cracker. There's a Santa hat, I think, and there's Eliza in the pantry. Look at all their snacks, guys. Marshmallows. And there's the Grinch. And the elf today is in the fridge. Whoa. Is in the fridge. Anyways, I'm gonna help Brooklyn make these cookies because I don't want to be, you know, on the hoverboard all day, which is what I've been doing, but, you know. Oh, perfect. I just measured half a cup of oil.
It needs to be more.
Oh, okay. Yes?
Do it over there.
Is that good?
There's no decorating these cookies, baby.
I put it in there. Woo!
And then crack both eggs if you want to crack it in other bowls so that you don't get any shells. That's fine.
Okay. So I'm good at cracking eggs.
Okay.
I crack eggs all the time. I'm making my own. I'm not.
Good, because you're supposed to get all the shells in my cookies.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Okay, I've never cracked eggs with my nails before, but boom. No shells.
There's a in the trash and the other egg. Trash.
Oh,
You put them in the trash.
I know how to crack eggs.
Y'all, look how fluffy that is. What? Yeah.
Is it just what you're making?
I'm making one serving of Rice Krispies for myself because I don't like those.
What's the consistency supposed to be like?
Until it's mine right now. Dry cake.
Is it giving, chef?
You can go to the inspection.
Why is it?
Whoa.
I made pancakes for my whole school. For my whole high school, because I'm on the student government. I know.
No. Yes.
Oh.
Just. You're not good at whisking with your nails.
Yeah. Because usually I like use my whole elbow piece and like my whole fingers to like.
Also, leverage helps, and you don't have a lot of it today.
Does anyone need to eat this?
No. You can have it.
Is it cold?
Yes.
Yes.
I made it ours too.
Are you coming? press the button. I don't know how to do it. That might be weird. I remember I was sitting up around like 1 in the morning.
You guys want me in the morning?
Yeah, maybe we're gonna stay up late. Like when we're at my house, we stay up till like,
Yeah.
well, after my birthday party.
At a birthday party, we kind of fell asleep real fast. But
Yeah, but we're planning on staying up.
we should get in touch.
I'll do that around.
Here's your third cup of both these.
Wait, so, sorry, so 1 cup of that. and
Third cup of this and third cup of this, yeah.
Okay. Hey. Are these chocolate chips? I'll measure out 1 cup for myself. Okay. Guys, you watched Spirited yesterday and today, and I recommend you watch it because it's so good.
Isn't it?
It's on Apple TV. Can I put it in there? Oh, so cute. Ooh, I've never had white chocolate chips. I mean, when, like, if I had a choice, white chocolate or dark chocolate, I would choose dark chocolate, and like, I wouldn't choose white chocolate ever, but it's not bad. You know, like, does that make sense? Like, I would choose dark chocolate, and like, I wouldn't, if I offered white chocolate, I wouldn't eat it, but I wouldn't, like, if it was the last meal I had on earth, I wouldn't be like crying and like dying.
I think white chocolate ever be the last thing.
So that is a logical movement. But it usually works fine. Okay. Right here. So you want to just put it on the cookie sheet.
Oh, so easy.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It literally takes 20 minutes plus baking. And then if you want to go back behind me and put a few chocolate chips or sprinkles like on top of it, it just helps with the aesthetic, but like it's not necessary.
I've never like, do I just squeeze it?
Yeah, not too close together.
Oh.
It's okay, don't pick it back up.
Okay. Oh, it's a small one.
You don't want all of them super big.
Come on now. Oh my gosh.
If you don't want to put all 3 in a row, you can just like, it doesn't matter, it can be even. You just don't have to detach. It's just fixable, but it's fine.
So aesthetically pleasing.
I feel like I should turn it down.
What are you guys doing now?
Putting them on the cookie. Putting them on the cookie sheet. Tell them what you're doing.
Well, I just took this batch of cakes out of the oven. The other ones are about to come out. And I have to let these cool.
Ooh, they look so good. This was so quick. This took like 20 minutes.
You're gonna have to have them while it's warm though. They're way better when they're warm.
Okay. My mom's leaving, or my mom's picking me up at 4, guys. It's 2:32. Can you even see that? Focus. Okay. Taste test. Oh, I'm sorry. Taste test, even though we already tasted them. 1, 2, 3. You're good. I gave it a 10 out of 10. Oh, that's the whole video, guys. Bye. Hey guys, it's Kyle and Destiny, and we are signing off for Vlogmas Day. Thank you. It looks the same. Vlogmas Day
21.
I hope you guys liked it, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video, Vlogmas Day 22. Bye. Like, share, comment, subscribe.